Welcome. In front of me I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and I will show you how you can find flashlight in the smartphone. You have to simply open notification bar and the flashlight will be right here on the list. As you can see, here it's mine. So to turn it off, to turn it on, you have to tap on it, and as you can see right now it works. If you don't have this icon here, it will be probably hidden, so you have to click here and it will be probably in this place. So you have to click and hold and then drag it, then just go back and the flashlight icon will appears here. But you can also go for the settings. You can type flashlight, and here we got the fast flashlight. So let's enter, and as you can see, when you want to turn the flashlight on or off, we have to make the two chopping moves, the motions. So let's try to make it. As you can see, it works. So that's how we can use, and that's how we can find the flashlight in your Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our HardReset.info channel.